welcome back, everyone. As always, drop your questions in whichever chat you are on. Probably going to be a little bit shorter today. I've got, I know I say this every day, but today is one of those really super busy days. Actually, kind of cool. One of the things, what I really need to do, and this is obviously not trading related. Many of you know, if you've been following along, I've been working on this home office studio for 4 months now. I gotta wrap some of this stuff up. But I tell you, here's your tip. If you're doing a remodeling project, order your materials now. It takes forever to get everything. So anyway, I gotta make my final flooring selections. I've got Dockside, Napa, Aspen, and Boardwalk, Pier Barrel Lodge and Boardwalk. Probably going to go with Boardwalk, and then I got to make my final stone selections as well, basically emulating this look here with the beams and walnut, and then I got to get furniture coming, etc. So, and I got to trade, and I got to do a podcast, and I got to do a blog post, and I got to do 2 Steady Trade Team webinars. So anyway, that being said, let's get to work. We got a lot to do today. ZOM is a red to green. I know a lot of people are watching ZOM. I don't know. So this is the Carol Baskin pump. I don't. Jay Hennessy, listen, I think there's better out there, okay? We had 2 days of the Carol Baskin pump. It's actually 3 days. It's day 4. I don't know about ZOM. This is what I will end with, Jay. I just think there's better out there, than hoping for day 5 on the Carol Baskin pump. Just seems like we've reached the end. Okay, so WIMI main dip and rip watch right now. Not super low float, but still 67 million shares. Not bad. We've got a high at 9. You guys know what I'm going to draw here. It's that same freaking drawing every day. I'm hoping for that weak the white line is the open. Hoping for that weak open reclaim of the high of the day on high volume. This headline is amazing. I love the headline on WIMI. I mean, how amazing is obtains patent for new 3D holographic pulse laser processing device to further advance the application of holographic technology in electric vehicle, autonomous driving, and other electric vehicle areas. How amazing. They're lacking Bitcoin and they're lacking weed, Add in some weed and Bitcoin to that headline. But, there's every buzzword there. I see the Robin Hooders piling into this thing because it's an EV, autonomous, lasers! You can't beat lasers. So at any point that this breaks the high of the day through the day, I think you got solid risk to reward on that. So, main kind of sketchy stock right now. So a lot of you guys asking about WIMI, you should be. I'm glad a lot of you are focused, focused on WIMI. So, F-Cell plug. Plug was killer yesterday, and basically look for those afternoon breakouts and all the EVs. All the EVs are VWAP hold high days. So, WIMI for sure, top dip and rip on that headline. And then all EVs, VWAP hold, breakouts, risk on VWAP, top 5 favorite pattern. So, and I know that book is supposed to be out by now. Book was supposed to be out long ago, but if you got the pre-release copy, top 5 favorite long pattern in a hot sector quote unquote real stock is that VWAP hold high a day break. So and all, just pick your favorite EV. I mean, really, they're all green. The only one that had a rough day yesterday was Blink, and I mean, it's they're So there's your in the morning. Probably my main idea is going to be WIMI. In the afternoon, EVs for swing trades. So ACOR. Low float du jour. 5 million shares traded. Almost traded the float at 8:36 a.m. You got you basically got a 52-week high over 750. So, I mean, here we go. I mean, and I say this all the time, man. Focus on as few patterns as possible. Okay? I mean, these patterns just repeat. It's not about trading 500 different patterns. Okay? So you got 8 million float, 4 million shares traded. 750 is multiple time frame alignment. So time frame alignment. You got a 52 month, week. Basically 750 is a breakout on every time frame you look at. So, and blah, 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 blah. Oh, and people got stuck into the offering. Oh, beautiful. So people shorted into the offering. Oh, great. Awesome. So here we go. Same. Basically same as WIMI. 750. Whoops, I wanted green. I want green, baby. So that same pattern, that 750 break post 945. And I know it's repetitive, and I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know if you guys like the repetition, but I'm telling you, I'm gonna end on this. I do gotta go. Look at BTBT yesterday. So if you were on the daily briefing yesterday, somebody brought up BTBT, and I ran it all down. It's over on my personal Instagram. It's a 60-second clip, and BTBT basically worked perfectly. What was BTBT? Hot sector, green to red on a heavily shorted stock. I mean, that's again one of those top 5 favorite patterns. And you don't need to trade a million different setups. You need to focus, find what works for you, and just do it over and over again. I mean, that's how you grow your account. Okay? You grow your account by singles and doubles in setups that you can consistently locate that work for you. And here we go. Dip and rips on junk stocks, ideally low floats with news, WIMI and ACOR. Late day VWAP holds on hot sector plays at 52-week highs that are quote-unquote real stocks. Green to reds on heavily shorted stocks. Breakouts on earnings winners. These are all setups I talk about every day in the Steady Trade team nonstop. So please talk about oil. Who? Normally I don't look at the chat. Who cares about oil? Oil's going to zero. Nobody cares about oil. Oil's going to be free. Once Elon Musk is like one invention away from making oil free. You're going to have to pay people to take your oil at some point. So anyway, have a great day. That's more of a daily briefing type topic. Oh, that being said, again, I got so many to-dos today. No daily briefing today. I got to record a podcast. I got to write a blog post. I got to get this off. So anyway, no daily briefing today. Check out the Steady Trade team. I'll always be here for the pre-market prep. The daily briefing is kind of like I do it when I can, but I'll be back tomorrow, 8:30 Eastern. I'll always be here for this. But check out the Steady Trade team. Top dip and rips, ACOR and WMI. And then in the early, those are the 2 early ideas. Late day, all the EVs. Have a great day. See you next time. Bow, bow, bow,